Are we ready to move to the next level, guys? I see.
Y'all, let me tell you something. If you are serious about learning how to make wigs, whether it's for yourself or for your business, I will say the best teacher, hands down, is Sylvia.
I bugged her to death, and she answered every single question that I needed before I even got here. And then even when I got in here, I still was asking questions, but she answered every single one. And I thank you so much, Sylvia.
Listen, I have learned so much in this class. As I just told her, I found her class by mistake, and it was the best mistake I've ever made.
She makes herself so available to you that it has no room or other way for you not to be successful. By all means, start with the best, which is Miss Sylvia.